just finished the second day of work during the Olympics. It was a great day. So many people here. I hope the quality of this image is good because I'm using my cell phone. What's that? I'm tired a lot because I have to do many things. Work is difficult work because we need to detail any log, any moment. So it's difficult, but I'm getting so much experience on it, and it has helped me a lot with my English too. I have now much exercises with my English. Talk with another people of other countries. It's a fantastic experience. So I'm enjoying. So about yesterday, North win 4-1 against Blackburn. Was a fantastic match. I didn't see it, I know, but I will take a look at the review. I watched some Talk North City videos. I like it so much. What I see, what they say, what he said about the game. So was a good first step for us on the championship. So let's take it back our place in Premier League. So I will finish now. I recorded some some footage of the arenas, of the people here. You will see. So